Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on OnePlus tab. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here in the search find Firefox. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open this app. Here we can set it as a default browser. Then sign in to turn on synchronization. You can also skip it by clicking on Not Now. Turn on notifications, and here the app is ready. You can open any website, and as you can see, it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.